This knitting machine is super amazing. It can knit everything like a glove, furnishing, and a hat. It comes with a bunch of wool yarn and a few pieces of plastic, as you can see here, and something like a small tool, screw, and a screwdriver. Flip over this machine, you can see 4 holes around the bottom, which you can put the leg on it. Make sure the round side face up and then push a little bit so you can insert this leg into the body. And then use a screwdriver and screw the screw in the body of the machine. After that, you put the piece of plastic under the leg so it can prevent this machine slide on the table. This is a knitting guide or yarn guide. This is a hook, which you put the yarn inside, and this is a handle. When you're ready, you just roll the handle and you can knit. And there is a 2 switch. Switch up is panel knitting. When you switch down, it is a toe knitting. And this is a row counter. It can count how many rows. And here is the last step, which you need to install this in the machine, which is the tension guide. And we are ready to knit.